let's just unpack on the Mommy Club. Guys, those ladies, they're in another level with drama. Remember, I even said, there's nothing there to learn. So, how it starts again, it starts with Mrs. J inviting them to Mpumalanga, right? And then she gets this really, really nice car to go to Mpumalanga. There has to be charged. Just like Mrs. J now. You remember she had problems with Upeladi where she told her, that is why actually and stuff. So they go to Mpumalanga. You know how it is. So they were going in groups again. They going. And then Happy comes up with some story. She starts off actually with a helper yakhe, the Lesotho one that she got. Remember, she interviewed her. So she's chilling with her. She's doing ironing. Now, sis, I'm just like, sis, what is going on with Happy? I'm like, you abantu baselizwe. You suffering him training low. It's gonna take a long time for her to learn stuff. I mean, myself folder t-shirt and I'm just like, now it's a please. Honestly. So they then gonna go in Kazge. So I was still telling you guys, who Happy comes up with the story. So she is sick, right? She's not going. Then she doesn't go. She's like, I should see him come tomorrow when she was speaking to Vuyo. Angazi, I'll see. I don't know. I'm one that doesn't have a backbone. Jabu Sande at Yogi's one, but I'm going no Nuxi, no Maki, Rosette. I could never. I'm not doing this to myself. So I end up having no Vuyo, no Pillar. Pillar into a sour from the red go. My figure to mean like a pillar again, Pumalanga, we are checking. Utolus Pampadi. Ubadilo Mrs. J apologize. That's way. Suga Nazi affidavit. She hasn't changed it. But she got her match this time around. Rosette. Oh my gosh, I was just like Rosette from the sea. Bengazi to Rosette so guys. I was just like Rosette by friend of a friend. Friend of the show, actually. Cause she's bringing another type of drama. So they went to this really nice posh place in Mpumalanga. This was organized by Mrs. J. Remember I said Mrs. J arrives there first, obviously. I mean, so the ladies to know there's gonna be pajama party. You remember the pajamas and it the ones that one day Mrs. Mops go boom Mrs. J. Why let's all right but how this looks like botched pajamas and pajamas and like you know. So she brings them these nice leopard pajamas gay. It's not the first time, guys. You remember when they went to about a week ago, when they went to Hammanskraal, the kitchen there, she was helping the community there. They didn't want to wear the t-shirts there. The three ladies, like the ones that came in the car, instead, she was wearing a Gucci t-shirt, Sisilo was a Mamelodi. And then she had a Hermes blanket. I was like, there's no need for these guys. What's going on here? Mrs. J was gonna give them blankets. It was getting cold, so but blanket. So Mrs. J was like, you know what, guys, let's just have a pajama party where we write down the stuff, you know, about people and all of that. So anyhow, so righty when Peladi no Mrs. J and all of that. Mrs. J I know because I'm but we have to Mrs. J it's not necessarily sorry, you know, it's all about her. You know, those type of apologies like I mean. You're not necessarily saying genuinely, but it was genuine. That's how I saw it. Apology, Mrs. J looked genuine to me. It sounded genuine, but I was like, no. Feeling there, and we are born ukuthi uzobaqala uRosette. Yangizwa. Hayi uRosette bebahleka bethaba ama twins bebahleka on the diaries ehleka uVuyo Top please. Really these pajamas like who even does this to themselves, you know, like Pakohin my twins, you know. So they just sitting there, kumnandi, you can fetch whatever you wanna eat. So she gives them this crazy sweet drink. So it's just like, now wait, Mrs. J, really this drink? Thing ngathi akaphuzi vele. Iqale le topic again, le yokuthi wasibisa ngedakwa, drunkards, like what is this? What was that all about? But no, that's not what I said. Yabona ukuthi mase abantu we like taking communication to other levels. That's not what I said. You guys like drunkards like that. Ngathi nje vele nokuphuza, you know, hey sekuxatshana again. And then usisi lo engithe udelile kakhulu, they have an altercation ke nosisi lo abathi uvuyo. Into eyithadishike nje vele kuyazi ke uvuyo abe umuntu nje hayi ngitsere matsapa ho ke tlemo athi lona uRose, then why you here bra if you don't want to be here? Oh bathuthana it didn't end well, guys. Baphoxana, they told each other in what omunye wena ungazo kodwa uvuyo waziphendula ring naye but uvuyo nayo silly. And what I realized also about Rose is very silly, guys. You know, I was watching it with my cousin. We kept on looking at each other like, oh my gosh, like she is so silly, this girl. Like, I didn't even know what to there for her friend, Rosette, Unox, who was Flugumezwat. I think it was Flugumezwat in this group, right? So she's like, you know, these ladies in Flugbabonis. So Pela de too, Lebabuka Panza Pezu, Lupela was like, oh. Mina nje into ezonceda ukuthi ngithulele, these ladies I'm actually done. Actually, she even said when it started with, I actually don't want to be here. I don't want to be in Mpumalanga. Yey bathuthane ke futhi manje no Mrs. J futhi again uPheladi. And you know what was crazy? Mrs. J was sitting with Noxie and Rosette. Babuye babe namasnize nokuhleka okungekho right, guys. I'm just like, how about these ladies? Why befilisa laba kanjena, yebo? But I was like, no, Noxie needed revenge and Noxie needed to be seen now as a person. And Upelad needed to get people who are exactly like her. They couldn't believe it. Who tested their own medicine. So I was like, what has just happened here? And then he gave up in the manjo by another altercation between Mrs. J and Upelad. Ne. Leandro ukuthi ngathi Mrs. J doesn't look like ufuna uku-apologize, and then Mrs. J azongenelela kunakuJabu Sandi ngalento yaJabu Sandi ungabi nayo backbone. But I'm still where Mrs. J was now apologizing again. Hayi angazi noma itholini incwadi yami Pheladi, but I'm so really sorry about what the stuff that I said. But uvuyo aqindezele into ukuthi what's it down. But no, which is the truth. That's not how she said it. She was like more like tips, you know, those things. Not really what you were pop drunk and you are drunkards. No, not like that. Ayipheleleyo aqale ke futhi manje Mrs. J athi hawu ungichazela kahle na Jabu Sandi. Umuntu onjani wena? Like awuna backbone. Uhamba nomoya nje isivunguvungu, and my grandmother used to say that you can't be that person. Uhamba makshonwali now you have like you don't necessarily uvuye bafika usmart lokhu kungenaphi nangu umuntu, you know. Here at the journals, just write the stuff that we want to say in life, you know, our experiences. How Mrs. J, guys, the stuff that she wrote there, she was like in the stuff that she wrote things like, no, I realized that I met you guys and I realized I don't have friends in you. Is there anything like that, guys? Even Vuyo was like, I don't know, is she for real? So during their fight, I'm trying to review and shorten at the same time, just to give a brief. So during their fight, Rosette give Vuyo why you they ended up saying, which I know actually we are living. I said, Rosette, I'm banning, man. Go away. And you know what's crazy though about Rosette? Rosette wasn't really drinking. They just had the pink drink. And the pink drink, they did say that there isn't a lot of alcohol in it, you know. Hey, wakivano, drama, that was there. Which Upeladi ended up in the car saying, where's Mrs. Sandra? Sandra just sat there. And Mrs. Sandra did ask Utama, guys, like, you know, why is in the Paganji? Skabani and stuff, why those ladies didn't take it. and then bahamba laba bawu-2 bamlinda kancane uJabu, bathi uJabu uqalile, that's why bathe unesivunguvungu kusho uPhelathi akazi where she belongs, akana-backbone. Usalile lapha akini nalaba bantu usalile. But my thing was that to Vuyo do that. uVuyo waphinde wayisho at the breakfast the following day. You can't do that, guys, and control someone like that. uJabu ufike ngo-Mrs. J there. When they stand up, she doesn't have to go with them. That's just my thing, man. I don't know what your take on that. Control uJabu sand. Yebo uhamba nezibungu uJabu, but and then yaphela kanjalo ke pijama party ke kuhloko. The following day ke bahlila abawu-2 abangane abakhulu, uRosette nomngane wakhe. They having like some mimosas in the morning and some breakfast encane. And then the other 2 bahleli somewhere else. uVuyi was actually sitting alone, stuck with you, and then control and stuff like that. Control freak Vuyi. I saw that's a bit about it. So as they are sitting, but discover which actually Vuyo was sitting alone and before Mrs. Sunday I'm joy for breakfast. Bathola ukuthi akasekho uPhelathi, engadile utsamayile ngwana kuPitori. How the next thing mase hambile uPhelathi ushiye namapijama amiliyoni as a present from Mrs. J, ushiye ne-affidavit incwadi phela, the one that they wrote her, she left it there. Ayifunde lo abesethi ngifuna incwadi yakho uyibonela athi ngibonela umbhedo ngihamba bana sho yonke into yakhe ngifuna lo muntu esho Mrs. J Phelathi bamfonelwa uJabu Sandai. And then she goes and joins uVuyi kambuzela izitori zakhe zokufuna ukumcontrola. And then as they're sitting there, uyafika kugqoka ijumpsuit uHappy white empentsha embambayo. She's like, guys, sengifikile bamjabulele. Oh, my friend is here. Maze kuVuyi. And people are complaining on Twitter. So bethi ayikho omunye umngane abengamthatha not uVuyi ngoba uVuyi vele inhleli yakudala isake sasayibona ku season 2, you remember? So bamxoxele uHappy uthi hey, akusibona yena abantu besigibela kwipijama phasi kanje, athi uHappy wayewazayo kodwa nkosi I missed out, I feel like ngifike late. I feel like that. And then bayamxoxela kuHappy, oh, the other 2 are having mimosas, the best friends, uNox nomngane wakhe uRosette. Guys, iphela lapho. Hey, labo sisi laba, I don't know how they gonna come back from this, but just let me know ukuthi kuzophela. But I think the friendships here are done. Angiboni ukuthi abantu bazozwana anytime soon, kusazoxoxwana nje. Although the other ladies were like, about for instance uPhelathi beno Mrs. J, they must meet and we mustn't be there, they must be on their own. But I'm just like, angiboni, they will never mend this. Now uPhelathi wafika ngenye indlela like le group, and I've been criticizing her. I wasn't even sugarcoating it because she came ngenye indlela even her here, yeah, but it didn't end well. So I leave it there, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. Over.